All right, we good to go? All right. All right, so we're gonna talk through this. We're gonna let the car warm up, right? Okay. Just nice and smooth on entry. We're gonna still do everything we would do normally if we were at speed. So you're still gonna hit all your lines, all your braking points, everything. You always drive your line, whether you're warming up or cooling down. So off the throttle here, let the car come back in, pick the throttle back up, and let it just walk out just like that. Now, I already got eyes up. These guys are already hot. So I'm gonna take it real easy through here on the with the S2000. Give him a nice clear point by, give it to him early, and let him know that I'm just tooling around down here. So I don't hurt him. He's hot. I'm not hot yet. Come back outside. We get our braking done. Always in a straight line. Downshift. I should be, I don't know, maybe fifth is the right gear through there. Maybe fourth gear is the right gear through there. Braking done. Turn in. Always checking my mirrors to make sure that I'm not holding anybody up. Hustling through here. Get as much downforce or much banking as I can by putting my car in the right places. And again, hitting all my marks, just making sure I'm nice and smooth. Right up on the wall, wait for grass, get to grass, turn in, just nice and smooth. Get on the throttle, squeeze it, straight line, right here, straight line braking. Get the braking done, downshift into fourth. Again, I got a Corvette behind me, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna be easy on the throttle through here, let him catch me. Oh, he went into pits, we're clean. Stay outside, I turn in and then turn in again right there and attack the rest of the way. All the way in, you just want to kiss it a little bit so it upsets the car, and then the whole racetrack. We use the whole racetrack here. All the way back outside, get the car settled, turn in, heavy braking here, and then turn in. Still not downshifting, still in fifth, straight line braking here, but the throttle downshift. Let your speed carry you out, off the throttle, it rotates for us nicely, and then get right back on it and let the car walk out. Always respect the kink. We always respect the kink. This is a turn, especially at speed. So we're outside, we get our braking done, downshift, get to our point, turn in. Nice and smooth, right through there. My tires still are not warmed yet. Always respect the kink, all the way to the outside, outside, wait for grass, turn in at grass, turn in, nice and smooth, just like that. Pick up the throttle, accelerate, unwind, straight line. We get our braking done in a straight line, bottom out the car a little bit, pulls you inside. It's a little too wide there. That's all right, builds character. Nice and smooth. Stay outside, get your braking done, turn in, and then turn in again. It's what works for me in this car, and I really like it. Boom. There we go, and accelerate. See how I'm just being nice and smooth with it? All right, good. Any questions?
No, it's a little different than what I'm used to, yeah.
All right.
You got some different lines you enter.
Yep. I'm a little unique. So we're gonna get our braking done. We're gonna come through here at 5th gear, just for shits and grins. All the way outside, get to the grass, turn in nice and smooth. I turned in a little too early, but that's all right. Sometimes that happens. Turn in, and then I turn in twice. Nice and smooth line, using the whole racetrack. See how much speed I can carry through there? We're getting chased by a BMW. I love that guy, so awesome. Yes. What are we? Oh, yeah. It's just because I'm trying to threshold brake and bring this down, and I don't have that straightaway dialed in exactly yet. You see how I'm just diving on the brakes because I know it there?
Yeah.
It's... God damn, I don't want to upshift to 5th right there. Jesus Christ. It's because that straightaway I'm struggling with the exact position where I want to start braking. Alright, so on the cool down lap, we just always want to keep our pace up. And this is where, let the car settle, but you don't slow down and you still always drive your line. It's still the same turn in like it always is. Still driving at speed.
Okay.
You're not, I mean, you're taking it easier, but you're not, you know, you see what I'm doing? See like how I'm hard on the brakes, but I'm not.
You're not just cruising.
Exactly. I'm just not, you know, out for a Sunday drive. I'm still trying to brake at the same time every time, still trying to shift at the same time, because it's muscle memory. You're trying to memorize what you're doing. And if you can do it when you're just going slow, then you can definitely do it when you're at speed. So, and even like right here, we're just piddling around, I still put it in 6, and you still respect the kink. You still come in, kiss the kink, and then come out. Always remembering to wave at the flaggers, like I said in the meeting, right?
Yep.
And so there, I'm just tapping the brakes to bring the pads back to the rotors, get my braking done, get my shifting done, and turn in at the same time, every single time. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Braking done, boom, turn in. See what I mean though? Even on the cooldown lap, we're still driving the line. And it's the only time I'll ever catch him is under caution. That car's quick. Car's wicked quick. And then again, even at the slow speed, we're still driving the line. We always drive the line. See, even he's doing it. You just always drive the line. Get our pit signal out. All right, so now your class is out, isn't it?
That's don't look like me. I don't know if those are stats.
Well, that one's an instructor. No, that's intermediate. Right? Yeah, we'll definitely have to loosen those. So obviously never use your park brake and immediately pop hood and trunk.
Immediate? Okay.
Immediate. So let me see this.